Good afternoon, Prof, my colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Nanre Emeje. I am a student pursuing a Ph.D. program at the Sustainable Development Center, University of Abuja. This afternoon, I am presenting a research proposal with the topic, an investigation into the role of informal economy on poverty alleviation in urban areas. This research proposal is presented in partial fulfillment of the award of a PhD in sustainable development. The outline of this research will take the following: 1. Background, statement of problem, research gap, purpose of study, the research questions, significance of study, methodology, expected outcomes, timeline, resources, budget, conclusion, and the references used. Background: the informal economy plays a significant role in the economic development of many countries, particularly in urban areas. In Nigeria, the informal economy is estimated to account for over 60% of the country's GDP. This is gotten from the National Bureau of Statistics report of 2020. Despite its significance, the informal economy is often characterized by poverty, low productivity, and lack of access to social services. This study aims to investigate the role of the informal economy in poverty alleviation in urban areas. Statement of the problem: poverty, which is SDG Goal 1, remains a significant challenge in urban areas, with many individuals relying on informal economic activities to survive. Despite the importance of the informal economy, there is limited research on its impact on poverty alleviation. Research gap: previous studies have focused on the informal economy's contribution to GDP, employment, and economic growth. ILO 2018 and World Bank 2020 enumerates this. However, there is a need for research that specifically examines the role of the informal economy in poverty alleviation in urban areas. Literatures relevant to this study will be reviewed. Purpose of the study: the purpose of this study is to investigate the role of the informal economy in poverty alleviation in urban areas, with a focus on Nigeria. Research questions: this study is going to undertake these research questions. 1. What is the contribution of the informal economy to poverty alleviation in urban areas? 2. What are the characteristics of informal economic activities that contribute to poverty alleviation? And 3. What are the challenges faced by informal economy operators in urban areas? We can coin this as the 3 C's of this research. 3 C's of contributions, characteristics, and challenges. Significance of the study: this study will contribute to the understanding of the informal economy's role in poverty alleviation in urban areas. The findings will provide policymakers and development practitioners with insights into the potentials of the informal economy to reduce poverty. Methodology. The study will employ a mixed method approach, combining both qualitative and quantitative methods. The study will be conducted in 3 urban areas in Nigeria: Lagos, Abuja, and Kano. Data will be collected through surveys, interviews, and focus group discussions. Expected outcomes. The study expects to find that the informal economy plays a significant role in poverty alleviation in urban areas. The study also expects to identify the characteristics of informal economic activities that contribute to poverty alleviation and the challenges faced by informal economy operators. Timeline. The study will be completed within 6 months with the following milestones: literature review, 2 weeks; data collection, 12 weeks; data analysis, 8 weeks; writing and revisions, 10 weeks. Resources. The study will require the following resources: literature and online resources, survey and interview instruments, data analysis software, transportation and accommodation for data collection. Budget. The study will require a budget of 1.5 million naira, broken down into 1. Literature and online resources that will cost 200,000 naira; survey and interview instruments, 150,000 naira; data analysis software, 100,000 naira; transportation and accommodation, 500,000 naira, and miscellaneous expenses will cost 450,000, if any. Conclusion. This study aims to contribute to the understanding of the informal economy's role in poverty alleviation in urban areas. The findings will provide policymakers and development practitioners with insights into the potential of the informal economy to reduce poverty. On this note, I want to thank you for listening while my reference will follow. Thank you.